Are you still looking at me? Are you still looking at me?
Today's look is inspired by Aria from Pretty Little Liars. Starting with Aria's brows, they come down quite low, so I'm starting a little lower than normal and drawing upwards towards my arch. They're usually quite defined and thick, so I'm defining above the brows as well. Taking a slightly lighter brow pencil, I'm creating a rounder shape at the front of the brows and then brushing the brows upwards into place. For the eyes, I'm starting off with an aubergine liner. This is softer than black and will bring out the green in Aria's eyes. Line right by the lash line all the way around, making sure the liner is slightly thicker on the outer corners. Using an aubergine eyeshadow on a pencil brush, apply this on the inner half of the eye, smudging in with that liner. With a mixture of a black and a dark mushroom brown, apply this on the outer half of the lid, starting on the outer corner and blending inwards. Taking a blending brush and a nude shade, softly blend the shadows into the crease and then in with each other. Apply the aubergine shade on the lower lash line over the top of that liner and joining on the outer edge. Apply highlighter to the inner corner. You rarely see Aria without just a little highlighter. Curl your lashes. Lashes play a huge part in Aria's look, so don't be afraid to overdo the mascara and add some falsies if you'd like. Aria usually wears a little bronzer that sweeps from her ear around to the apples of her cheeks. I'm also applying a cool toned blush by NYX to cool down the warmth of the bronzer and to contour very slightly. Finish with a neutral tone satin lipstick and we're done. If you like this look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know which Pretty Little Liars star you'd like to see next. You can also click on the screen now to watch some more of my videos.
Are you still looking at me? Are you still looking at me?